Hello everyone, welcome to the Lonely Wolf. In this video I am going to show you how my finches are taking bath. You can see they are washing out their faces. It is in the afternoon around 4:30 p.m. here in Abu Dhabi. So I just changed their water, so immediately they came down and they washed their faces, and now they are drying themselves. Don't be scared. Yeah. If I move back, maybe they will take a dip. Yeah. After taking a shower, now they are brushing themselves up, as you can see. These birds look so beautiful. Today I am going to give them some vegetables. Let's see how they like it or not. Before going to bed, I think they are washing their face. They are happy in this setup. I just love to enjoy them when I come back from work. Okay guys, I hope you like my video. Thank you very much.